Today we're excited to show you the new high-powered LED off-road side mirrors for the Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. This is a great functional upgrade for the Jeep, which focuses on peripheral illumination to cover what's missed by the forward lighting. As you can see, these provide a much more integrated look as opposed to most bolt-on light bars and ditch lights, which can often look like an afterthought. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out oraclelights.com, hit up our social, and call 1-800-407-5776 for any other questions.